Hey you guys, and happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. This is probably going to be one of my first hair video for, actually not probably, it is my first hair video for 2022. I know I said I was going to switch up my content a little bit. I will eventually, I will. I'm just taking it one day at a time. Sometimes things don't go as we planned or hoped for it to go. But anyways, happy new year. This year we're dealing with only positive energy, no negativity. I don't care who you are, I don't care what it is, I don't want no negativity around me. Now this video is sponsored by Kiss Hair, and once again they sent me a straight 250 density wig, but the only difference is this is a 36-inch wig. I wanted to do something different, but I know curling a 36-inch wig was gonna be a hassle. And I didn't want to straighten it because I did already went in with a 30-inch wig that they sent to me and straightened it. So I opted to the next best option, which was crimping it. Guys, I don't know why I did that because it took me literally the entire night. I started at probably like 12 something, didn't go to my bed at like 2. It took time, okay? But anyways, this hair was very soft and very thick. I absolutely loved it. The length was true to his length, like it was actually 36 inches. It was full. Everything you could really desire in a wig. The lace was very, very thin. Like it was so thin. Like you have to be careful with it because when I was pulling it, I kind of ripped it. But for the melting process, 100%, this is what you want. Just be careful because it's very thin, but at the end of the day the result is better the thinner your lace is. You just have to be careful. So I went in and I crimped my hair, and honestly halfway through the crimping I was just like, why did I do this? Why? But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I crimp this hair. Again, it's work. Okay, so if you're gonna do this, no, it's work. You're gonna be up all night. So do it the day before you do the install. But yeah, watch as I die while struggling, while crimping this hair.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before I go anywhere, I know there's this thing on my forehead. I'm so annoyed because my skin's been doing good and like boom, like whatever. So anyways, today's video is sponsored by Kiss Hair. I have worked with them before, so they're not new to my channel. But I'm gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the box. So this is the bag that the wig came in. They sent me some stocking cap. I'm wearing it right now. They sent me, I think this is a bonnet, baby hair comb, West Kiss band, lashes, head tie or headband, and a bag to put my hair in when I'm done using it. So the wig that they sent to me is a, it's straight, 13 by 4, 36 inches, 250 density. And when I say it's 250 density, it's actually 250 density. It's so thick. I'm gonna be putting on the screen somewhere, just gonna show you guys how the wig came before I actually did anything to it. I did go ahead and I plucked it off camera and bleach it, and I did some crimps, as you guys saw in previous video, or either it's gonna be after this video or before this clip. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys. So right now I did my ball cap method, everything. I'm just gonna jump right into the video. Actually, I'm lying. I'm going to be showing you guys the inside of the wig. So this is how the crimps came out. Super cute. I don't want to touch it. This is the inside of the wig. This also came with the regular straps, combs, all of that. So I'm just gonna be putting my makeup inside and pretty much just start the installation process.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Y'all, this glue, when I tell you it's A1, I'm not ready to spill the tea on it, but this glue, I haven't seen or worked with anything like this glue before. I literally took a shower in it, got my hair wet, pulled it in the shower, it didn't move. My hair dried, pulled it again, it didn't move. I worked out, I was sweating, pulled it, it didn't move. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that this is the tea right here, but I'm just waiting to kind of give you guys the real in-depth tea. Okay. This is the side that actually ripped. I was so mad that it actually ripped because then I had to go in and just finesse it and use the hair to kind of cover it up. But I was actually so mad. I don't know what I was doing. Like I knew the lace was very thin already and I pulled it. Why would I do that? I have no idea. So, but I finessed it anyways. I used the hair to kind of cover it up because I wanted to do my half up, half down, and it wouldn't have looked cute with a ripped side. Like it was just a lot going on. But anyways, it still came out cute regardless.
Go on, pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
So guys, I just wanted to like get up and show you guys how it actually looks. So but yeah, this is how it looks. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm too short to kind of show you guys like the full thing unless I go all the way out there, so you guys will just have to see it in the pictures. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.